not turn your phone off?
No, I'm not turning it off. I don't want...
I'm going to seize your phone now.
I'm not turning it.
I'm going to seize your phone at the moment. In section 43.
Welcome to LawScope UK, where police encounters are broken down by the law, not opinion. I am a decent citizen provided the video for today. Their link is provided below. Go support them by watching the entire video. A brief scene of filming outside a London police station in today's episode swiftly gets more intense. An independent journalist is confronted by a sergeant who demands a press pass that is not mandated by law. He then abruptly takes the journalist's phone and imprisons him in accordance with the Terrorism Act. What starts off as a normal interaction develops into obvious power abuse. Furthermore, it continued past the station's entrance. The cost of this incident was borne by the taxpayers rather than the officer. You'll discover the true cost of this error in the end, so stay tuned. Let's dive right in.
Any reason why you're filming the police station?
Yeah, there is a reason, yeah.
What is the reason?
Can you please identify yourself first?
Sorry?
Can you please identify yourself first?
I'm Sergeant Mark Coates.
Sergeant Mark. And show number?
Show number's there.
5377.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm independent journalist. I'm gathering footage for a story.
You're an independent journalist?
Yes.
Have you got a press pass?
I'm independent. So.
Okay, you don't work for anyone then?
So do you know what
No,
independent
but
is?
as in, are you working for a particular company?
No, I'm independent. I work for myself.
You can see the sergeant's attitude right here. The law is not on his mind. Control is on his mind. He is erecting an imaginary barrier by requesting a press pass. Journalism is not licensed in the United Kingdom. A card is not required. Approval is not necessary. Anybody with a camera can record public events. This demand is obviously motivated by ego rather than legality.
So what is the purpose of filming today?
Just gathering some footage for a story, sir.
What's the story?
I cannot tell. I'm still working on it, so I cannot say.
But what is the reason that you're filming? Because this is a secure police building.
Yeah.
We obviously have to ask questions why people are filming.
Yeah. And I told you.
You haven't. You said it's for a story, but you haven't told me what the story's about.
But I don't have to tell you what the story is about. I'm still working on it, right? So it's not finished. If it's finished, when I publish it, you'll see what the story is. But I'm still working on it, so I don't want to compromise my story.
You're not going to compromise the story, because I'm not. From my point of view, I just need to be happy you're here for the right reasons. Yeah. Because police officers and police buildings are potential targets.
Okay.
For terrorism and attacks, etc. So I have to be happy. The reason why you're here.
So how can I make you happy?
By telling me what the idea is your story is about.
I cannot tell you about the story. I'm just gathering some footage. So I'm an independent journalist, and that's it really.
But you've got a story in mind.
Yeah, I do have a story in mind. Yeah.
So I need to know what that story is about. Is it to do with what the security like around the police building, what the coming and goings?
I cannot tell.
Because the route we're going to go down is you're going to be stopped and searched under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, whereby we will seize your phone, we'll look at your phone and say,
You're going to seize my phone?
We can seize your phone if we feel we have to.
What ground, sir?
Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
He went directly to Section 43 of the Terrorism Act after the press pass fantasy failed. That statute was not intended for someone with a camera, but rather for legitimate suspicions of terrorism based on facts. But that's the risk. Laws are vulnerable to abuse when they are this expansive. They become instruments for intimidation rather than public protection.
What grounds? What grounds?
Just telling you, let me explain.
Okay.
Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, you can be stopped and detained and searched. And part of that search, we can look at your phone and we can see what photographs you've got.
Yeah, but
don't turn your phone off.
No, I'm not turning my phone off.
Turn your phone off, we will see.
No, I'm not turning your phone off.
Right, so that's the route we can go down. I'm not saying we will go down that route, but at the moment, I'm not satisfied. The reason why you're filming here, you've told me it's for a story.
Yeah, I'm an independent journalist.
Yeah, you told me that.
Yeah.
But you can't tell me what the story's about.
But,
do not turn your phone off.
No, I'm not turning it off. I don't want to.
I'm going to seize your phone now.
I'm not turning it.
I'm going to seize your phone at the moment in Section 43 of the Terrorism Act because you seem to be trying to for a story.
Yeah, I'm an independent journalist.
Yeah, tell me that.
Yeah.
But you can't tell me what the story's about.
But,
do not turn your phone off.
No, I'm not turning it off. I don't want. No.
I'm going to seize your phone now.
I'm not turning.
I'm going to seize your phone at the moment under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
The phone grab follows. Consider what that implies. Your personal life is on your phone. Your work, your messages, and your pictures. It refers to sources and proof for a journalist. Not only is it illegal to seize it without cause, it is an assault on the right to free speech. And observe that the sergeant doesn't think twice since he believes that authority is more important than rights.
Because you seem to be trying to turn it
No,
off.
no, just because I couldn't hold it. Please keep recording. Keep recording. Yeah. I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to stop. I want to keep recording, sir. I want to keep recording.
You can still record.
Okay.
But on two occasions, you went like that to press a
No,
button.
no, no. Because I'm just filming and I just wanted to make sure I hold it correctly. I don't want to stop filming. Please keep filming. Oh, now it's stop filming. I want to continue filming. Can I continue
Have
filming?
you got any ID on you, sir?
Sorry.
Listen to my.
Sorry. I just want.
Return it to.
Sorry. Can I? I just want to record. Yeah, just to make sure.
Isn't your GoPro
Right,
filming?
receiving.
Yeah.
Is your GoPro
I'm
filming?
not sure. Sorry. Hold on. I don't want to turn it
Do a
off.
favour, mate. Could you go into the front office and see if they're aware
Yeah.
of this
So
gentleman
can you please record me? Can you record me?
the rear
No,
entrance?
Listen to what my.
Yeah,
listen
but
to what
I
my
just
time
want
is saying.
How long it's been
I want to make sure.
This is all being recorded anyway.
Okay.
Audio and visual.
Okay.
Okay.
Have you got any ID, sir?
So have I committed a crime?
Well, right, we'll go down the route then. You're now detained under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. You're going to be stopped and searched. Part of that, I need your details so I can check to see who you are, and we have the power
But
to...
you're abusing. Okay. So if I don't give you my name, are you going to arrest me?
I'm not saying I'm going to arrest you, I'm saying you'll be detained. I've asked you the reason why you're filming.
Yeah.
You've told me for a story.
Yeah.
You're for
I'm
a
independent
Which is
journalist.
fine, I
Yeah.
understand that. But you can't tell me the story. So
But I cannot tell you the story, right? Because I'm working on it. It's not finished yet, sir.
But you must have the concept.
Yeah, I'm just walking around and film in the city of
And
London.
you're filming a police station.
Yeah, why not? I'm staying on a public, right?
Yes, you are.
This is a public payment.
Yep.
So you took my phone, right?
I've took your phone because I think you were trying to...
No, I don't want to. I just want to be filmed because I want to make sure what I'm doing is right. I'm not hiding. I want to keep filming. I don't want to stop filming. Please
that's
film me.
fine.
Can I have?
It's all being
So you
recorded.
seize my phone, and I'm not happy with seizing my phone.
We haven't seized it, we've taken it off you.
Well,
because
we take it,
you
but it's not in
attempted,
me.
I believe, to
It's
turn
not
it
in
off.
me. No, I don't want to turn it off. I want to continue filming. Can I have my phone and continue filming, sir?
At the moment, you're detained under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. Part of that is we are going to examine your phone for photographs you've been taken today, and power to do that is under Section 43. And also, I need to do some name checks on you, so I need some of your ID.
Okay.
The sergeant attempts to play word games when the auditor disputes the seizure of his phone. He maintains that they only seized it to prevent him from turning it off and that it is not a seizure. That is absurd. A seizure occurs when police take possession of someone's property against their consent. It doesn't become legal just because you call it something else. The true motivation then becomes apparent. The detention under Section 43 is being used as a pretext to search the phone for images and videos.
So if I don't give you my name, are you going to arrest me?
Not particularly, but we will make some more inquiries. The quicker we get your ID, the quicker we can check.
So if it is a lawful order, I give him a lawful order to give my identity.
Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, you
Yeah.
are detained. As part of that, we have the power to look at your phone and also do some checks on you and to search you.
Okay, but so is it a lawful order?
It's an order. It's a
I
power.
give him a lawful order. So if you give me a lawful order to give you my name and date of birth, I'm gonna give it, but under the threat of arrest. If you don't
It's
give
not
me,
under threat of arrest.
so if it's not under the threat of arrest, I don't want to give it.
Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, we need to do some checks on you. Have you got? You are detained for a search.
Oh, I'm detained. Okay, I'm not gonna answer any questions.
Take your bag off, please.
Okay,
Put your phone away for the time being, okay?
I do not agree on any search to seizures.
Right. Shall I explain why you've been detained then?
Explain, what are the grounds?
Because you are seen outside the police station
Yeah.
filming. As we've passed you, you're holding your phone like this, so we can photograph yourself, but clearly filming the gate. Part of that gate is a security pad, so I don't know whether you're filming to see if officers are pressing that to get access to the building. This is a police building. You gave a reason, you're an independent journalist and you're
Yeah.
making a story.
Yeah.
Story. But you can't tell me the context of that story, you can't tell me why you're here.
I told you.
You haven't. You
I
said,
told you, sir.
what's the story about that?
I told you, I'm just walking around London and filming.
The sergeant's justifications for delaying Section 43 are completely untenable. Concerned that it might have been captured on camera, he first gestures to a keypad on the station gate. However, that keypad is visible to the general public every day. It is completely ludicrous to act as though it is a secret, and it's not illegal to film it. He then reverts to the directives and refuses to provide an explanation. However, declining to participate is not suspicious. It's a right. Telling the police why you're standing in a public area is not required. Punishing someone for not giving you what you want is the essence of calling that grounds.
But you
That's
said
it.
you're making a film about the police station.
Police station, whatever I see, maybe the other things I
But
see.
what's the reason for that?
I'm independent journalist. This is what the journalists do. Go around and film. That's it.
But there's got to be the story you're doing.
Yeah.
There's some context to that story.
Yeah, but the
That's why-
context, I don't know what I'm going to see, right?
That's why you've been searched. Because
Okay.
you can't tell me why you're here.
I don't agree. I don't agree on any
That's
search
fine.
and
Don't
seizure.
need to.
Okay. Sorry, what's your name and the show number?
5458.
5458. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Attached
So
to
are
Southwark
you
Police
recording that just for our information?
I hope so.
Okay, that's fine. Have you got
But
anything?
I don't answer any questions.
Right, I'm going to ask you one question. If you don't want to answer, you don't have to. Have you got anything on you that can harm me or harm
I don't
you?
answer any questions.
That's fine. On Sergeant Mark Coates, warrant numbers 218
Sergeant Marcos. Okay.
218186 attached to Southwark Police Station. You are detained
218186.
You are detained under
Okay.
section 43.
I don't agree. I don't agree with any search seizure. I'm gonna file a civil claim against you because you're violating my rights. I'm staying on public property, peacefully exercising my rights to film in public. I've done nothing wrong.
I haven't seen you done anything wrong.
What grounds do you have to believe I'm a terrorist?
I didn't say you were a terrorist.
So why are you using section 42 of Terrorism Act if I'm not a terrorist?
Nice and calm. Because you are filming outside a police station.
But you said I'm not a terrorist, sir.
I didn't say you were a terrorist. I said you're detained under section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
So do you think I'm a terrorist?
I didn't say you were.
Why using section 43? You have to have a reasonable grounds to believe I'm a terrorist.
Because you're seen outside the police station filming a keypad and officers going in and out.
But that's
And in
not
this current role-
real on the ground.
But in this current role, obviously, a lot of police officers are targeted by people who wish to do us harm.
You don't have reasonable grounds, sir.
Here, the game is given away by the sergeant. He says he doesn't suspect terrorism when asked. His authority is immediately nullified by such acknowledgement. Only in cases where there is a plausible suspicion of terrorism does Section 43 apply. In its absence, the power disappears. It is not legal only because the word Section 43 is repeated. It simply makes the bluff visible.
You're violating my rights with this search. I don't agree on that. You seized my phone.
We haven't
You
seized
searched
your
me.
phone. I
You
said
took it away from me.
because I believe you were attempting to switch it off.
But you cannot stop me of doing what I want with
I
my
asked
phone.
you twice not to try and touch your phone because I believe you might.
Yeah,
be trying-
because my hand was tired.
You keep talking over me. I can't explain unless you let me explain to you.
I don't answer any questions.
Shall I, well, if you don't answer the question, I'm going to explain why we've got your phone. On 2 occasions, while you were filming me, which you've got the right to do, in the building, in my opinion, you attempted to switch the phone either on or off and possibly delete some footage on that phone. So that's
So you
why-
prevent me from using my technology.
So let me finish. So I told you on one occasion, please do not attempt to switch your phone off and do anything with it, which you stopped doing. Then on the second occasion, you tried to do exactly the same. I told you if you carried on doing that, your phone will be taken off you. And that's what we've done. We haven't seized your phone. We are going to examine your phone for photographs under section 43, but we haven't seized your phone. We have the power to seize your phone if we feel there is evidence on there. But at the moment we haven't seized it. We've just taken it off you to stop you trying to delete stuff. Does that explain it?
I don't answer any questions.
Can you turn around for me again?
This is unlawful. Unlawful. I've done nothing wrong. Yeah. We'll hear from me. I'm going to file a lawsuit against you. This is absolutely illegal what you're doing. I do not agree on searching my back.
You may not agree on it, sir, but I've tried to explain on a number of occasions.
Yeah. I don't agree on that. This is unlawful search of my back. Unlawful. Sorry, what are you expecting to find, sir? You have to tell me what you're expecting to find from my back under section 42 of Terrorism Act. What are you expecting to find, sir?
There may be evidence that you are using...
Like what?
If you're not going to keep talking over me, I'm not going to be able to explain to you.
Okay, you have to tell me before starting the search actually. Can you tell me what you're expecting to find in my back and in myself?
I'll explain to you, you've been detained under section 43 of the Terrorism Act because we have the power to search your phone and your bag and you for any article.
But you have to tell me. You have to tell me.
You don't want to talk or you do want to talk?
I just want to understand.
Any articles that you may use in the event of planning a terrorist attack.
Like what?
Any article. A camera, a weapon, anything.
This is the point at which the sergeant demonstrates how far he has strayed. He asserts that he is permitted to search for anything under Section 43, including cameras, weapons, and articles. However, the legislation does not indicate that. The power is limited to items that could genuinely be linked to terrorism. It becomes a free-for-all search if you expand it to include anything you're carrying. A camera is not a weapon. A phone is not a bomb. The sergeant is not enforcing the law when they treat commonplace items as suspicious. He is revising it.
People think I'm terrorist now.
No one thinks that, sir.
Yeah, sure. I'm here, you're searching my back like I've done something wrong. Crazy. Crazy.
You highlighted yourself by standing outside the police station.
Crazy,
recording
crazy.
anyway.
You're violating my rights.
I've explained to you on a couple of occasions the reason why you've been detained.
You have no grounds. Please don't use them.
Dirty bags on.
Aye, aye, aye.
Just wait there a second, please. The car's coming out. Only halfway now. Hello? Wait there, please.
Can I also have the water, please?
If you don't mind, you'll have that when we're finished with the search, okay?
Okay.
I don't know what's in there.
Oh, okay.
Just for safety, for everyone's safety.
Okay. Okay, a thorough search by the sergeant.
After all of this, the result seemed obvious. The taxpayer was left with a bill once it was decided that the imprisonment was illegal. A sergeant believed he could manipulate the Terrorism Act to his advantage, thus £1,500 was paid out. And that's where the wider picture becomes relevant. This wasn't a single poor decision. It was a total disintegration of the intended operation of the law. A phone that was taken without cause. An unidentified target search. A non-suspicious detention. Every public safety measure in place was disregarded. That's why these cases matter. They demonstrate just how precarious our liberties become when law enforcement overreaches. And these errors continue to cost more in terms of money, trust, and freedom unless people are aware of the boundaries of police authority. I created my Know Your Rights guide for this reason. It explains powers like Section 43 in plain English, so you're never left wondering where the line is. The link can be found in the pinned comment and description. Remember to hit subscribe, share this video, and leave a comment below if you think this breakdown was helpful. The more instances like these are reported, the more difficult it is for power abuses to go unreported. Thank you for watching, and keep in mind that your rights are only important if you are aware of them.